Embracing nature and design, modern mountain homes that inspire and delight. Introduction: the intersection of nature and design. Welcome to the Nookup YouTube channel, where we explore the captivating world of architecture and interior design. In today's video, we will delve into modern mountain homes that seamlessly integrate nature and design, creating spaces that inspire and delight. These architectural wonders are not just buildings, they are a celebration of their surroundings, inviting the outdoors in and enhancing the living experience. As we journey through these stunning homes, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. The essence of mountain living. Mountain living offers a unique lifestyle characterized by tranquility, beauty, and a deep connection to nature. Modern mountain homes are designed to embrace these qualities, with architectural features that highlight the stunning landscapes they inhabit. From expansive views of towering peaks to serene forested surroundings, these homes become a natural extension of their environment. The essence of mountain living lies in its ability to foster a sense of peace and well-being, drawing residents closer to the beauty of the outdoors. This connection not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of these homes but also promotes a lifestyle that values simplicity and harmony with nature. Harmonizing with the landscape. One of the most remarkable aspects of modern mountain architecture is its commitment to harmonizing with the landscape. Architects and designers prioritize the natural topography and existing vegetation, ensuring that the homes blend seamlessly into their surroundings. This approach often includes the use of natural materials, such as wood and stone, which echo the textures and colors found in the environment. By respecting the landscape, these homes not only minimize their environmental impact but also create a sense of belonging within the setting. This integration fosters a feeling of connection, inviting residents to appreciate the beauty around them while enjoying the comforts of modern living. Innovative use of glass and natural light. A defining feature of many modern mountain homes is the innovative use of glass, allowing for an abundance of natural light and breathtaking views. Large windows, sliding glass doors, and even glass walls create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, enhancing the feeling of openness. This design choice not only maximizes the views but also brings the beauty of the outdoors inside, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. The interplay of light and shadow throughout the day adds depth and warmth to the living spaces, further enhancing the overall experience. By prioritizing natural light, these homes promote well-being and a sense of connection to the surrounding landscape. Sustainable design principles. Sustainability is a core principle in the design of modern mountain homes, reflecting a growing awareness of environmental responsibility. Many architects incorporate eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient systems to reduce the carbon footprint of these residences. Features such as solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and geothermal heating contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle, allowing residents to enjoy the beauty of their surroundings while minimizing their impact on the environment. Additionally, the use of locally sourced materials not only supports the community but also ensures that the homes resonate with the character of the region. By embracing sustainable design principles, these mountain homes exemplify a commitment to preserving the natural world for future generations. Outdoor living spaces. In modern mountain architecture, outdoor living spaces play a crucial role in enhancing the overall experience of the home. Patios, decks, and terraces are designed to extend the living area into the outdoors, providing spaces for relaxation, entertainment, and connection with nature. These areas often feature comfortable seating, fire pits, and dining options, encouraging residents to spend time outside and enjoy the stunning surroundings. Thoughtful landscaping further enhances these outdoor spaces, with native plants that require minimal maintenance while adding beauty and harmony to the environment. By creating inviting outdoor living spaces, these homes foster a lifestyle that embraces the natural world and encourages social interaction among family and friends. The role of interior design. The interior design of modern mountain homes complements the architectural features, creating a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. Designers often draw inspiration from the surrounding landscape, incorporating earthy tones, natural materials, and organic shapes into the decor. This approach not only reflects the beauty of the outdoors but also creates a warm and welcoming environment that promotes relaxation. Open floor plans and flexible spaces further enhance the functionality of these homes, allowing residents to adapt their living areas to suit their needs. By thoughtfully considering both architecture and interior design, these mountain homes create harmonious environments that inspire and delight. creating intimacy with scale. In contrast to the grandeur of their surroundings, many modern mountain homes focus on creating intimacy through scale. While the exteriors may boast impressive dimensions, the interiors often feature cozy nooks, intimate spaces, and warm finishes that encourage a sense of comfort and belonging. This careful balance of scale allows residents to feel connected to their home while still enjoying the expansive views outside. Architectural details such as vaulted ceilings and large fireplaces enhance the sense of space while maintaining an inviting atmosphere. By prioritizing intimacy within the design, these homes create a sanctuary that nurtures well-being and fosters meaningful connections. Inspiring examples of modern mountain homes. Throughout our exploration of modern mountain homes, we encounter inspiring examples that exemplify the principles of design and nature integration. From striking contemporary residences that feature bold architectural lines to more understated cabins that embrace rustic charm, each home tells a unique story. These examples highlight the creativity and innovation of architects who push the boundaries of design while remaining true to the beauty of the natural world. By showcasing these inspiring homes, we gain insight into the possibilities of modern mountain architecture and the ways it can enrich our lives. Conclusion: the future of mountain living. In conclusion, modern mountain homes that embrace nature and design offer a captivating vision for the future of living in harmony with the environment. By integrating innovative design principles, sustainable practices, and a deep appreciation for the landscape, these homes create spaces that inspire and delight. As we continue to explore the world of architecture and interior design, we invite you to share your thoughts on these modern mountain marvels. Don't forget to subscribe to Nook Up, like this video, and let us know what aspects of mountain living inspire you the most in the comments.